नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical class, we will learn about the qualities of urine, its physical analysis and its chemical analysis. Collection of specimen. First, clean, dry, wide mouth container must be used. Methods are collection of entire voided sample. Second is by method of catheterization. Third is suprapubic aspiration. Timing for collection of the sample. First, it may be random sample is sufficient. First specimen voided in morning is more concentrated and preferred sample. 2-3 hours after eating for glycosuria. Afternoon for urobilinogen. Physical examination of urine. It is further studied in volume, color, odor, appearance and specific gravity. Volume: normal would be 1.2 to 2 liter per day. In case of polyuria, it is more than 2000 ml per day. And in case of oligouria, it is less than 500 ml per day. Anuria is total suppression of urine which is less than 100 ml per day. Appearance: normal urine is clear. In case of cloudy, precipitation of amorphous phosphate in alkaline urine/amorphous urate in acidic urine. Amorphous phosphate dissolve on addition of acetic acid, and amorphous urate will dissolve when specimen is heated. Turbid urine is present in cases of leukocytes, epithelial cells and bacteria present in the sample. Hazy urine is present when mucus is present in the urine. Smoky appearance will appear when RBCs are present in the sample. And milky urine is present when chyle and fat are present in the sample. Odor: fruity/sweety odor, presence of ketone bodies. If a pungent smell is present in the sample, that is presence of bacteria or specimen contained with the contaminated with the bacteria. If sweaty feet odor is present, then it is isovaleric acidemia. If misty or mousy odor is present, then it is phenylketonuria. If odor of maple syrup is present, then congenital metabolic disorders. If fishy odor or rancid butter odor is present, then it is hypermethanoemia. pH: concentration, ability of kidney to maintain normal hydrogen ion concentration. Normal pH is 4.6 to 8 and average is 6.0. Specific gravity: ratio of weight of a volume of urine to the weight of the same volume of distilled water at a constant temperature. Measure the concentration and dilution power of kidney. Concentrating ability of the kidney is one of the first function to be lost as a result of tubular damage. Normal range of random specimen is 1.003 and specific gravity increases when fluid intake is low and decreases when fluid intake is high. Specific gravity varies throughout the day. Ranges of 24-hour sample is 1.015 to 1.025. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.